YouTube. Another lesson. Today is June the 8th, 2020. I'm going to talk to y'all about general anatomy and physiology. I'll make it real quick because these are the tougher chapters, so you have to break it down. And my strategy is break it down the most I possibly can into the simplest stuff that I can and just hit y'all a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. But we're on chapter 6 in the 2017 Milady Barber book. We are studying general anatomy and physiology, and I'm going to talk to y'all about cells. Cells are the basic units of all living things, from bacteria to plants to animals, including human beings. Without cells, life does not exist. Excuse me. I don't know what's going on with my eyes today. Without cells, life does not exist. As a basic functional unit, the cell is responsible for carrying on all life processes. Trillions of cells in the human body, and they vary widely in size, shape, and purpose. The basic structure of the cells of all living things, are composed of a substance called protoplasm. And we'll get to the difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm in a second. Give me 1 second. Um, the cells of all living things composed of a substance called protoplasm, a colorless jelly-like substance found inside cells in which food elements such as proteins, fats, carbs, mineral salts, and water are present. You can visualize the protoplasm of a cell as being similar to a raw egg white. In addition to protoplasm, most cells also include a nucleus, cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. And I'm going to show y'all the structure of this thing. Hold on. So, here's the basic structure of the cell. Excuse the shaky camera. Doing the best I can. But here's what a cell looks like. And you got the nucleus, nucleolus, which is inside of it, and all these other things we'll go into detail later. But the main thing I want you to see is the basic cell breakdown in the nucleus, and we're going to talk about cytoplasm. So the nucleus is the dense, active protoplasm found in the center of the cell. It plays an important part in cell reproduction and metabolism. You can visualize the nucleus as the yolk in the middle of a raw egg. So anytime I'm teaching my students, I try to break down talking about cells. I use that same analogy. In cytoplasm, it is the watery fluid that surrounds the nucleus of the cell and is needed for growth, reproduction, and self-repair. Here's the key. Cytoplasm is a part of the protoplasm of the cell. So there's about 2 or 3 questions in the chapter that I've seen, and I have enough experience to know that if you understand the difference on those chapters, you can get a better, your chances of answering the question are much better if you understand the difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm, and you understand the fact that cytoplasm is a part of the protoplasm of the cell, and the protoplasm makes up a large majority of the cell. If you can remember that, you can do the process of elimination to a bunch of questions that keep you from answering them wrong. I can tell you that much just off something simple as realizing cytoplasm is a part of the protoplasm. But that is basic structure of the cell, cytoplasm, protoplasm, and nucleus in less than 5 minutes. I'll be doing a bunch of these videos, so stay tuned.